Let's see. Right. In a second, I'm going to blend with some colored pencils here. Kind of scratches to blend. But doesn't really smudge like chalk does. Okay, so there's a result. Like far away, looks kind of good. Up close, what an illusion! So I like how quick it covers things, and lightly it covers things. See how this part goes real quick. But it's super broad stroke, so it's kind of easy to go outside the lines. I mean, fixable, but see how this blends with the colored pencil? It's similar color. Let's see. It's kind of close. Got my pencil sharp. Am I sharpen my pencils? Yes. Once again, these two, I feel like these art supplies match each other. Weird texture, but it has like a flavor. A distinct texture. I like it. I like it for this piece at least. Cool. So I'm gonna continue on here. A little more. A little more here. Doing pretty good. These textures. Very nice. I like these. Overall 10 out of 10. Almost done. Thanks to Leisure Arts and Prismacolor, I was able to blend these all together and use a lot less pencil. In the description box below, I'll put a link for Leisure Arts, but you can find them at Walmart for $9.99. And I would recommend finding your Prismacolors online. These are the Prismacolor No Wood colored pencils. They are not like chalk. These are the colored pencils I use to blend. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.